Yes, ma'am, you can start your live now.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, all, and welcome to this session. This is a Tally session. Today, we are going to learn again the new feature of Tally. Yesterday, we have seen a one very important feature, that is we can customize our Tally by creating our own vouchers, and then like today, I'll give you the understanding on groups. How can we create our groups and what exactly we need to create the groups. Anybody have some like question related to that? Okay, so no question is there. Okay, fine. This is the exercise we completed yesterday, right? And same thing, we can check the balance sheet of the particular branch by applying the filter. So when you press Ctrl F, then this is the advanced filter. Then here is an option of vouchers, and then you can use the Faridabad. Capital is a common for all, right? So this is the Faridabad balance sheet. This is the Faridabad balance sheet. Is it? So same thing, you can use the filter. Okay. Now the next is what is the need to create the groups, our own groups. As you already seen, what is the need to create our own vouchers? Yesterday we created the vouchers. We have seen the manufacturing journal and so many things. So why there is a need to create the groups? Sometimes, in this example, I'm like taking the example of sometimes, suppose we purchase the furniture from the creditor. Okay, any kind of creditor. For example, I have a one creditor, create ledger Vishal Furniture Art. Okay, and then it is a sundry creditor. Now furniture is there because this is our asset. It is our fixed assets. And we passed one entry. We purchased the furniture from Vishal Marts. It is on credit. So make a payment to the no payment is there. So you should pass the journal entry. JV-01. Then furniture. Furniture account debit 2 lakh rupees to Vishal. Is it clear? And new reference JV-01 and it is 2 lakh rupees. Is it clear? So we purchased the furniture on credit. Is it clear? Please answer. Okay. How I passed the entry? First, I created the furniture account. Next, I created the Vishal Furniture Mart under the sundry creditor. Then I pass a one JV entry because this is not with cash. This is on credit. So we purchase the furniture on credit. Okay. Enter, enter. Now, furniture, you can check the furniture. It like take reflect in your balance sheet. Also, creditor is takes reflect in your current liability. But we want the creditor should be divided into two parts. One for the creditor for goods and second for the creditor for furniture. Creditor for fixed assets. Okay, this is the bifurcation. So I can create group. The first is creditor for furniture. And it should be under current liability. Okay, current liability. Then control A. And already the sundry creditors are created. So I should alter the name of that sundry creditor groups. Alter group sundry creditor. This is creditor for goods. Okay, control A. Then creditor for furniture. Here should be groups creates like sub ledger. Yes. Controlling. Now you can check. So Vishal, the whatever that you created now, Vishal Furniture Mart, it should be under creditor for furniture. Or you can mention furniture for fixed assets. You can like use this like name. You can use this name. See, creditor for goods are different and creditor for furniture are different. So this is the like, it is a need to create the groups or the, yesterday we created the vouchers. Any query? Any query? Please. Repeat once again. See, previously we have seen only there is a sundry creditor, but now I bifurcated creditor for goods and creditor for furniture. And under the creditor for furniture group, I created a one Vishal Furniture Mart. This should be under creditor for furniture. And creditor for furniture is a group which I created. Creditor for furniture, it should be under current liability, and group behave like a sub ledger. Group behave like a sub ledger. So that's why it is showing me under current liability. Now it's a sub ledger of current liability. Okay, so and then through that we can check the view. See, creditor for goods and creditor for furniture. Same thing, suppose you are having two directors. Okay, one is Akshay and second one is Ajay. So for that you have to create the two account na, Akshay capital account and Ajay capital account. But this is a group, you know, this is the group. This is not a ledger. And this is the ledger, this is the group. Is it? Should I move for the next? Any query still? Fine. So we are moving ahead. Today's feature. Now today I'm going to give you the understanding on cost center and cost category. Cost center and cost category. Now what is it? You know, cost center is used for the costing purpose. Like for example, we are paying the salary. So cost audit, for the cost audit purpose, we should use this feature. Okay. For example, I'm going to create a new company. Just create the company you too, huh? Everybody should create a company. This is the cost center example. Cost center example. Then Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now, suppose GST should be disabled. Control A. Same example, whichever we completed yesterday, na? Suppose we want to create the cost centers. Okay, then press F11, that is the shortcut key for the feature. And there is an option of enable cost center, set it yes. Enable cost center, set it yes. Set it yes. Enable cost center. Then Control A. Now create three cost centers. Here is a cost center. Enter. Cost center. Enter. Faridabad. Same example I am taking. Muradabad and Aurangabad. Okay. Now I'm going to create a ledger. Purchase. Under purchase. And then another is Rohan Lal and Sons. This is my creditor. Sundry creditor. 15 days. Control A. Fine. Then one is capital account under capital. So I created three ledgers. One is purchase. Second one is Rohan Lal and Sons, and third one is capital. Now I should create the stock items. Stock items. Now I'm going to create only one item, that is computers. I should create from here unit of measurement, that is numbers. Is it? Is it? Everybody created? Is it clear? Now, when you purchase, because presently you have only the purchase account, okay? When you purchase, for example, bill number 01, and you are purchasing from Rohan Lal and Sons, Control A, Control A, then purchase. Okay, then purchase. But it is not asking for the cost center for whom you are purchasing. So just from here, change mode and then accounting. Then now when you purchase here, purchase, then suppose you are purchasing 2 lakh rupees for 2 lakh rupees. Wait, actually some features are disabled, so I should check. Wait a minute, please. Some features are disabled, so I should check first. Ma'am, if I entered wrong date in purchase voucher, then go to the day book and from day book you can alter now. Gautam, yes, there is an option. See, press F11. Under F11, the third option is there, that is cost center. Cost center. Please check. Here is an option of cost center, na? Is it? आ गया कॉस्ट सेंटर का ऑप्शन आ गया गौतम. प्लीज कंफर्म ना कॉस्ट सेंटर ऑप्शन आया कि नहीं आया. Okay, Jyotirmay, I'm going to repeat the complete things, huh? Because see, the like in my tele also there was some problem, so that's why I stopped there. I'm going to repeat it. Okay, so I'm going to give you the understanding on cost center today. Okay, this is the first feature of today. Cost center is applicable only in case of when you want for the cost audit purpose. है ना, cost allocation आप चाहते हैं. For example, you are paying salary amount. आप सैलरी 1 लाख रुपए चाहते हैं, but you want to allocate to the different cost centers की कितना कितना आपने किस किस को आपने पेमेंट किया है. So that is the cost center is used for that. कॉस्ट ऑडिट के लिए बहुत काम आता है. सेम थिंग आप परचेज और सेल्स में भी बताना चाहते हो कि कौन कौन सा आपने किस किस के लिए परचेज किया है. सो यू कैन यूज द कॉस्ट सेंटर्स. ओके, बेसिकली ये खर्चों के लिए यूज आता है. ओके, बेसिकली ये खर्चे के लिए यूज आता है. नो नो नो, आई couldn't create the ledgers. मैंने लेजर नहीं बनाए. I haven't created the ledgers. I created the cost centers, ज्योति में. From here you can create the cost centers. See, create cost centers. I created 3 cost centers. One is Aurangabad, second is Faridabad, third is Muradabad. Is it? Is it clear? Okay. See, Shuganthi, I am going to give you the understanding on cost centers. This is one of the feature of Tele. Okay, so today we are going to start the features of Tele. When you press F11 key in a Tele, when you press F11 key, this is the third number option because above 2 options are already we completed. Through this option, I gave you the understanding on 2-way, 3-way, 4-way check. And this is by default enable. But today we enable cost center. Now, the moment you enable the cost center, you are getting create cost centers. Now, create 3 cost centers. I created here the 3 cost center. One is Aurangabad, second is Faridabad, third is Muradabad. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now I created 3 ledgers. One is capital, second one is purchase, third one is Rohan Lal and Sons. Is it? Okay. Now next. Now while purchasing, you have to change the mode because this is the accounting feature. You have to change the mode as voucher. You have to change the mode as voucher. Then suppose this is your bill number 1 and you are purchasing from Rohan Lal and Sons, control A, and this is the you are purchasing for 2 lakh rupees. In that case, calculation can be done by yourself because see, it will not calculate automatically. Now, first you have to put an amount, enter, then new reference, then purchase. In purchase, you are doing for computers. How many computers? 5 computers. In each, okay, 10 computers. Each item rate is 20,000. Then Faridabad. For Faridabad, you are purchasing 40,000. For Muradabad, you are purchasing 60,000. And for Aurangabad, you are purchasing 1 lakh rupees. Is it? Is it? Is it clear? Because see, in the feature, at the time of feature, you have to be very careful. Limited options. See, if you are like finding the limited options, if you are finding the limited option, there is an option of show more features. Set it yes. Gautam, set it yes. Now press Ctrl A. Now suppose you sold the items F8. Okay, again you have to change the mode Ctrl H because this is the accounting feature. Sales 01. Again you sold out the cash. Okay, you sold out the cash for rupees 2,50,000. Huh? Then Alt C, sales ledger. It should be under sales. Now item you sold computer, 10 computers at the rate of 25,000. Enter, enter. Now you have to mention the for Faridabad you sold 50,000. Then for Muradabad you sold 70,000. Rest for Aurangabad. Then enter. Okay. Now you pay something for, you paid the wages. Create ledger wages account. The direct expenses. And here maintain balance bill by bill, no. And then cost centers are yes, because in a wages you also want to applicable the cost centers. So from here you should take the more details. Here by default is this set cost centers applicability. Yes. Control A, Control A, Control A. Now suppose you are paying the amount. So F5 wages, enter 25,000. The moment you press enter, it is asking ki Faridabad. For Faridabad, you pay the 12,000 rupees. For Muradabad, you pay the 7,000 rupees and rest for Aurangabad. Then, is it? Okay. Next expenses, that is the salary expenses. All see salary account. It should be under indirect expenses. Then I paid the 45,000 salary. Then again for Faridabad, you pay the 12,000 rupees. For Muradabad, you pay the 12,500 rupees. And for Aurangabad, the remaining amount for Aurangabad, then cash. Enter, enter. Again, you pay the telephone expenses. Then you pay 25,500. Then for Faridabad, you pay 8,500. For Muradabad, you paid 7,500. Rest for the Aurangabad. Cash. Is it? Do it fast, please. Huh? Amount is not a big matter. Na? You can use your own amount, anything. So don't try to match with my amount. But yes, concept should be clear. Concept should be clear. Yes, here is a cost center entry, but see, in that case, like we can check the branch wise profit, but here we cannot. Is it clear? Okay, now day book, just open the day book. Just open the day book. Just open the day book. And you want same entry, purchase entry in the month of May, same entry, but in the month of May. So just press select, just put a cursor here, place a cursor here, press Alt 2. To copy the entry, press Alt 2, then F2 to change the date 1/5. And if you wish, then you can change the amount. Press Ctrl A. Same thing you have to press here. So Alt 2, Alt 2, F2, 1st May. Then Ctrl A. Then here, Alt 2, F2, 1st May. Okay, we made the copy of the entries. Now you can check display more reports, statement of accounts, cost centers. Summary. For Aurangabad balance is 2,45,500 is debit and 250 is a credit. So closing balance is 4,500. Enter. See. In April and in the May. In the April, debit balance is there. In the May, is a credit balance is there. Is it? See, this is the complete for the Aurangabad. We purchased for Aurangabad 1 lakh rupees. We sales for Aurangabad 1,25,000 rupees. We paid 6,000, 25,000 and 9,500. So loss is there. The 11,000 is a loss. Okay, next. In the next month. We purchased 1 lakh rupees. We sold out 1,25,000 and we only pay the telephone expenses for 9,500. So 15,500 is a plus amount. See. Then you can check the another also. It is showing you the graph also. Is it? Then cost center breakup. Suppose you want only for Aurangabad. See, it is showing you the Aurangabad sales, Aurangabad purchase and everything. In April you purchased and in because I copied na for the same amount is there. Then ledger purchase. See, it is showing you the purchase. Aurangabad, Faridabad, Muradabad. Is it? If it is like clear, then I'll give you the more understanding on the next feature. That is again the advance. You initial session. Meenakshi, I cannot do something for that. Now you have to check the video lecture or what. I don't know, because video recording I'm not sure it is available or not. In fact, in Tele and in the previous session MS Office, you can directly ask the query, na, but in the video lecture, it is very difficult to understand. But though you can check because you joined late, na? Okay. Now please clear ma'am. Okay. Now the next feature I am going to give you the understanding on when you want to create, na, from here create, when you goes for the create master, there is an option of show more. Here is the option cost center. Here is the option cost center or cost category. Then create new. Or you can click here the cost center class. Suppose one class. Then Aurangabad, how much percent? 20%. Then Faridabad, how much percent? 45%. Then Muradabad. You can allocate the percentage wise also. You can allocate the percentage wise. Then now when you purchase F9. And here is the option more details. Here is the option of just a minute, it is not showing the feature. I should check. Just a minute. Now wait, please. Wait a minute, please. Just wait, because see, it is not showing me the feature. So just wait. Wait for a 5 minutes. Maybe like Delhi's. Wait a minute, please. Okay, so sorry for the delay. Actually, the option is not working right now. I'm not sure what's the problem. So we are going to the next feature, that is the enable multiple price level. Just set it yes, and please we will check this feature later on. Which one? Enable cost center. Okay. Just set here enable multiple price level. Please set multiple price level. Set it yes. Set it yes. Multiple price level. Set it yes. Multiple price level. Press Ctrl A. I'm going to create a new company over here. Price level example. Set it yes. Now what is price level? What is price level? Anybody like, what is the meaning of it? Price level. Suppose we are selling goods to the manufacturer, like to the wholesaler and to the retailer also. So for retailer, we are following the different price level, and for the wholesaler, we are following the different price level. Okay, so it is known as a price level. So for that, first of all, in a F11, there is an option of enable multiple price level. Enable multiple price level. Make sure everybody set it enable. Make sure. This is my new company, a price level example, because in that company, actually, I'm not sure why it was giving me the error, but next, like on Monday, I'll tell you this feature, that is cost center and cost category. Because cost center is clear, we already learned the cost center. There are two features again, that is one is cost center class and second one is cost center category. But for that, we will learn on Monday. So for today, we are going to learn the price level. Price level. Okay, for that F11, then here enable price level, multiple price level. Is it? Multiple price level. Now, first of all, just create a one item here, item, then computers. And unit of measurement should be numbers. Please, everybody, do the thing simultaneously. Jyotirmay, the best part is you should create a new company. Jyotirmay, please, this is the request from my side. Everybody should create a new company and just enable the price level. Okay, and after enabling the price level, you should create a one item, that is computer. Right? Created. Done. Very good, very good, very good. Now, after enabling the price level, first of all, I'm going to tell you about the standard rate and standard cost. Then I'll tell you about the price level. Now, the difference between the standard rate and standard cost. Standard rate and standard cost will be applicable for all. No matter it is like we are selling to the wholesaler or we are selling to the retailer. But while creating the price level, you can bifurcate it according to the wholesaler and manufacturer. Okay. Now suppose I created a one computer. Then here is the option of price level. Here is the option of price level. Now I created two price level. One is wholesaler. The second one is retailer. Just create it, please, fast. Price level. Just create two price level. One is wholesaler, second one is retailer. Is it? Press Ctrl A. Now there is an option of price list. There is an option of price list. So go to the price list. Price list. Go to the price list and create the price list for wholesaler. Created. Now go to the price list for stock group and just create the price list for wholesaler. Create the price list for wholesaler. Control A. Now the moment you set it, then it is giving me the screen price list for wholesaler. Suppose wholesaler purchased the computer less than 10 computer. Then the rate will be 45,000. And are you providing some discount? No. Because if they purchased less than 10 computer, then no discount will be there. Next, then 10 to 20. If they purchase 10 to 20, then rate will be 45,000, but discount will be 2%. Discount will be 2%. And if they purchased 20 to 50, then rate will be also the 43,500 and discount will be 5%. Is it clear? And greater than 50, then rate will be 41,000 flat. Is it clear? This is the price list of wholesaler. This is the price list of wholesaler. Is it clear? Now press Ctrl A. Now you should create the price list for retailer. Now, if the retailer purchased less than 10, then the price will be 48,000. No discount will be there. If they purchase 10 to 12, then the price will be 48,000, but the discount will be 1%. And if they purchase greater than 12, then rate will be 46,500 flat. This is the price list of retailer. Is it? Make sure it is clear. Wholesaler and retailer price list. First, create the two levels, price levels. First is a retailer and second one is a wholesaler. Then create the price list of retailer and wholesaler both. Arpit, it is clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Created. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now press Ctrl A and Ctrl A. Suppose you want to check, then you can take this screenshot or you can like follow. क्योंकि हम जैसे like the moment we sold the items to the retailer and it is less than 10, then it automatically takes the 48,000 rate. The moment I enter the 11 computer, then it automatically takes the 48,000 and percent discount percent is 1%. Control A, then escape. Now I created two levels, just check. And for wholesaler and retailer, I also created the stock price list. Retailer is also created, then wholesaler is also created. See, please check, you also see. Now just create the ledgers. The one is Anish Computers. It should be under sundry creditor. Just create Anish Computers. It should be under sundry creditor. Press Ctrl A. The second is Charles Computers. Again, it is sundry. It should be sundry debtor. Then credit period is 15. Control A. Then Rohan Computers. Again, it is sundry debtor 15. Control A. And the last one is Donaldson Computers. It should be under sundry debtor and 15. So we created total 1 for sundry creditor and 3 for sundry debtor. 4 ledgers. Now you should create the purchase account. Purchase account under purchase. Then sales account under sales. Control A. Is it clear? Clear? No. Stock at the time of stock item created, no need to give the price list. Can we maintain the price list? Yes, for every item. We can create the price list for different items, Jyotirmay. I'm sure you are asking that question, okay? Okay, Jyotirmay, I'll create the another item also, na? Laptop also. But first you should check the one item also, na? Okay. Now start. Enter the entry. First is a purchase entry. Bill number 01. Then we purchased from Anish Computers. Anish is a sundry creditor. Enter Control A, Control A. Price list will not be applicable for the Anish because Anish is our creditor. Now I purchased computers, 100 computers at the rate of 25,000. Enter, 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 enter. Is it? This is a very simple entry. Okay. Should I move for the next? Purchased 100 computers at the rate of 25,000. Please purchase. Price list was not applicable for the purchase. Price list will be applicable in the case of sales. Is it? Please answer fast. Okay, now suppose F8. I'm pressing F8. Sales 01. Okay, now I'm selling the items to the Donaldson computer. Now it is asking, Donaldson is your wholesaler or retailer? You are saying it is a wholesaler. Then sales account. Suppose you sold computers 8. Then the rate will be 45,000. And no per discount. See, discount percent, the column is not there. So just press F11. There is an option of use discount column in invoice. No discount is there. But the moment it crosses, okay, the moment it crosses, party name is Donaldson. Now it is wholesaler. Sales. Now this time he purchased only the 8 computers. The rate is 45,000. No discount is there. Is it? Sales 01. Is it? Okay. Now on my F2, 1st May. Now again now this time Charles computers are going to be purchased from my side. And I as mentioned here, he is a retailer. Sales. And the moment he purchased 8 computers, the rate is 48,000. Previously, it was 45,000. Why? Because he was wholesaler and now he is retailer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now both purchased 8 computers. Okay. Enter, 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 enter. Sales 0. Okay. Now next month, next date, sales 03 is there. Now again Donaldson purchased and he is our wholesaler. Okay. Now computers, he purchased 18 computers. Now the rate is 45,000 and discount is 2%. Please check. Now the rate is 45,000 and discount is 2%. Why? Because we mentioned if he purchased more than 15, more than 10 but less than 20, then 45,000 rate and 2% discount will be there. Is it clear? Price list and price level. Is it? Anybody have some question regarding the price list and price level? What is the difference between price level and price list? Okay. Enter, 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 and sales 03. Now F2 1st June. Now again Rohan Computers, who is the retailer. Okay, he purchased computers, but he purchased 16 computers. Now rate is 46,500. Previously for the Charles computer, it was 45,000. Why so? Because he purchased 8 computers. But now because of the 16 computers, which is greater than 10, the rate is 46,500. Enter, 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 enter. Is it clear? If you wish, then I can show it again. The very amazing feature of Tally, price list and price level. Now I'm pressing Ctrl. Now the next is, if you want to check, then you can check from here. For the wholesaler, if it is greater than 50, then rate will be 45, 40. If it is greater than 20, the rate will be 43,500 and 5% discount will be there. If you wish, then you can check. F2, second. Then again, the Donaldson computer, who is our wholesaler. Now he purchased more than 20 computers. Now rate is 43,500 and 5% is a discount. Is it? It's a very amazing feature of Tally. I'll send you the assignment of price list and price level today. By today or by today, tomorrow evening. Do it yourself, please. Enter, enter. Now sales 05. The last option is, suppose on 1st July, sales 07. Again, Donaldson Computers. He's our wholesaler. And then they purchased computers 51. Then rate is 41,000. Okay. You can check from here also. If 8, then rate will be 45,000. Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt regarding the price level in price list? Anybody have some doubt regarding the price level in price list? No? Yes, Devanshi. Anything else you want to ask? Okay. Okay. Now, as the one of the student asked, ma'am, if the multiple item is there, then we have to create the multiple price list. Okay. For example, suppose we have laptops. So first of all, we have to create the laptop item. Stock item, laptops. Okay. We have to create the stock item. Then you should go for the price list. Wholesaler. Now for the wholesaler, if the wholesaler also purchasing the laptops from our side, if it is below 10, the rate will be 87,000. No discount is there. If it is 10 to 20, the rate will be 87,000, but discount will be 1%. If it is 20 to 50, then rate will be 85,000 and discount will be 2%. And then 80,000 flat. So this is the way how if we have the multiple items. If we have the multiple items. So this is the way how you can create the list. Same thing in a retailer. Then laptops. Then 90,000. If it is 10 to 20, then 90,000, but discount will be 1%. Greater than 10, then 89,000 flat. Okay, this is the way you can create the list. Control A, then escape. Then go to the vouchers. First, you should purchase the laptops. Bill number 2. Anish Computers, who is our creditor. Then laptops. Suppose I purchase the 50 laptops, so 100 laptops at the rate of 65,000. Okay. Then if you are selling the items, press, see, it will be applicable for sales order, say like everything for, right? Not only for the sales related to P2C, that is procure to cash. Sales order, delivery note, in everywhere it will be applicable, price list and price level. Okay. Now F8, sales 078. Then F2, the date is 2nd July. And Donaldson, who is our wholesaler. And then computers 8. Rate is applicable according now laptops. Then he's purchasing the 8 laptops. See, 87,000. And suppose he purchased the laptops more than, then rate will be 85 and 2% discount. Is it clear? Please raise the query if any. Cash discount, it is not like that. Cash discount here we cannot mention, because see, cash discount is only applicable in case of party name is cash. But still, if you are providing the cash discount, you can apply, but it is not a price level. It is not an option of the price level. In that case, you have to create a one class. Okay, at the end, I'm going to give you the class option. But because of the confusion, today I'll not give you the class. I'll tell you later on, Jyotirmay. No issue. I'll tell you later on. Okay. Any doubt in a price level and price list? Price level and price list. Then you can check any doubt related to, see, now we can check the reports. Same thing. Here is a statement of inventory. Then same things are there. Okay. No like analysis and verification. I'll tell you later on. Fine. Okay. So moving ahead. Okay. Is it clear? Clear na? Price level and price list is clear. In F12. Just enable the third feature, that is enable interest calculation. We learned today this and we learned today this. Two features we completed, enable cost centers and enable multiple price level. Now the next and the third feature of today's session is enable interest calculation. Do it. Enable interest calculation. But again, for that, you have to create a new company. Okay, so just shut this company and create a one new company. Interest calculation example. Madhya Pradesh. Control A. Enable interest calculation. And GST should be disabled. Okay, do it fast, please. Completed? Interest calculation should be enabled, huh? Interest calculation. Right. Now, create one ledger, purchase account, under purchase, control A, sales account, under sales, control A, one party, Anish, computers, that is sundry, creditor, 15 days credit period. Please make sure 15 days should be there. Huh? Maintain balance bill by bill because this feature is related to days. Okay, now control A. The next party is Donaldson Computers. That is our sundry debtor. 15 days. Make sure everybody created. Right? Now press Control A. Now create a one stock item. Create stock item computers. Then it should be under. Oh, sorry, it is a later. Computers. And then unit of measurement should be numbers. Control A. Control A. I'm sure you created the 4 ledgers in one stock item. Please do fast. Okay. No. Creating the stock item. Okay. Now the thing is, vouchers. Here is an option of interest calculation. We already enable here. है ना? Now when you create the, just go to the alter Anish computer. There is an option of activate interest calculation. There is an option of activate interest calculation. So set it yes. Now set the parameters. Calculate interest transaction by transaction. Yes. Then here is the option. How much interest you want? Like the creditor will charge 5% per 365 days year and on all balances, because net balances will automatically calculate. And from here, don't select always. It should be past due date. Past due date. Is it? Enter, and then no relaxation days will be there, because see, after completing this 15 days, we have to pay. Within a 15 days, we have to pay. No other days, relaxation days are there. And then here is a date of applicability. Press Control A. Control A. Now, please remember, only in each computer I set the parameters. Now, suppose I have a purchase in a F9. I purchased bill number 01. On 1st April, I purchased from Anish Computers 10 computers at the rate of 22,000. Okay. Do it, please. Everybody is doing now. Madhur, Gautam. Everybody is doing. See, on 1st April, I purchased the computers, 10 computers at the rate of 22,000. Okay, so should I save it? Then new reference, and then after 15 days, it will be due. Enter, enter, enter. Now, on 1st May, I sold out the computers. Sales 01 to Donaldson. Okay, computers. I sold out the 5 quantity, 26,500. Okay. Sales 01. See, I purchased on 1st April. I should pay before 16th April, but I forget to pay. Okay, and I sold out the items on 1st May. then the 15 days interest will be there, na? Is it clear? $15 interest will be there. Then how you can check the interest? Display more reports, statement of accounts, then interest calculation payable. See, here is an interest for 15 days at the rate of 5%. So 452 is a interest. 452 is a interest. Okay. Now we have to, like, definitely creditor have to charge the interest by passing a one entry, so that the balance will be increased 2,20,452. Is it clear? Students, are you getting the interest? Are you getting the interest? Please tell me. Getting the interest? Please check. From where you can check? Display more reports, statement of accounts, interest calculation, interest payable. Clear? Should I move for the next? Okay. Now we want to charge the interest. So for interest, there should be the one entry. Okay. So because of the creditor, this is the creditor. This is the creditor who charge the interest. Okay. So for that, you have to make a one credit note. Remember, this is the credit note. You have to make a credit note. So create voucher types. Voucher type, interest payable. Then it should be the credit note. Please make sure you are working simultaneously. Now you have to make the credit note, and then here is an option of class. Just name here one, and here is an option of use for class for interest accounting. Interest accounting. Presently, I'm not moving to the compound interest. I'm not moving to the compound interest. Is it? Is it clear? Then press Control A, Control A. Now you have to create a one interest payable voucher for the creditor. Then Alt F6, interest payable. Then class should be one. Then Anish computer. Then here is the interest 452.05. Enter, enter. Control A, then Control A. And then you have to create a one reference. And here should be the interest payable ledger. It should be under indirect expenses. Make sure you completed this thing. This is very important in Tally. Very important. Is it clear? Now you can check your creditors balance, display more reports, account books, ledger, Anish computer. Now your creditor balance is 2,20,452 because you already passed one entry, but this should be with the help of credit note. In the case of creditor, it is credit note. In the case of debtor, it is debit note. If the due date increased after the and the payment is yes, Tally will charge interest on the base amount or on the base amount, because see, Jyotirmay, there the option was compound interest, but still we said no to the compound. This is the compound interest, na? This is the compound interest, na? What you are saying. Is it? Make sure everybody done. This is a very important entry, you know. Anything else you want to ask? Now next is, suppose we sold the items. To whom we sold the items? You should check. See, Donaldson computer we sold the items. In Donaldson computer is also have the 15 days credit period. See, in a Donaldson, no interest calculation is there. Why so? Display more reports, statement of accounts, outstanding, presently receivable is there. Receivable is there, but it is not overdue. Okay, so I'm going to make a one payment of the salary. Just pay F5, press F2, 16. I made a payment of salary account and I made a payment of 5,000 rupees on 1st June. Now, if you check, then here display more reports, statement of accounts, outstanding, receivable. Now it is due, overdue by 16 days. It is overdue by 16 days. But interest is not there. Can anybody give me the explanation why interest is not there? Interest is not there. Why? Can anybody give me the explanation why interest is not there? Please. So many students are there. So please answer me. Why interest is not there? Tell me. Why interest is not there? No? Anybody? You have completed the previous, like on creditor you have seen, but on debtor it is not showing. Why? Because interest is, we didn't select the interest calculation. Yes, yes, Jyotirmay, correct, appreciate it. See, so first of all, you have to enable, go to the alter, go to the ledger, go to the Donaldson. Then here you should enable the, yes. Then here is the option of interest. How much? 7.5%. And if it is 30 days per month, okay, then the interest for the, like, the 7.5% is a per month, and every month it will be the compound interest. So I'm selecting here the calendar month. All balances past due date, and here is date of applicability. Control A and Control A. Now you have to create a one voucher for interest receivable. Voucher type, interest receivable. Interest receivable. It should be under debit note. Then here is a name of the class. And here the interest, it should be use class for interest calculation. Yes, in compound interest. Control A. Now you can check here. Display more reports. Then a statement of accounts. Interest calculation receivable. See. Now how much interest is there? 5129 because it is 7.5 per month. 10% is 13250 something. And 7.5% per month. Remember, per month. Okay. And if suppose you all again pay at July, F2 1st July salary. Now you still not receive the payment from the creditor or debtor, sorry. Then the interest will be display more reports, statement of accounts, interest calculation, receivable. See, now interest is Is it clear? You can cross check it. Now you have to make the debit note. How? Vouchers, control F9. There is an option of interest receivable. Okay, then Donaldson computer. See, interest is there. Then interest receivable account you have to create. And see, interest receivable account. It should be under indirect income. Control A. Enter, enter, enter. Now you can check the display more reports, account books, ledger, Donaldson. Alt F2, first go to this one. Is it clear? Just take the calculation on first 132 500. 132 500 into 7.5%. So tell me, you got the things, because today we learn the things cost centers, we learn the things interest applicable, we learn also the price level and price list. Is it? So I taught you about 3 features. Anything else you want to ask? Anybody wants to ask something, please? I'm sure you got all the features. Okay, thank you, thank you. मैम कॉस्ट सेंटर में वो कैपिटल कॉस्ट मंडे को एक्चुअली कैपिटल कॉस्ट इज नॉट देयर cost class in cost center class in cost category. I'll give you the understanding on Monday, because see today all of a sudden I disable that feature and then the confusion will be there. So that's why I dropped that idea. And then on Monday I'll give you the explanation for cost center class and cost category. Any doubt? No, there is no class on Saturday and Sunday, na? Because it is like already mentioned, na? But maybe next Saturday, I'm not sure. But tomorrow is not a class. So Saturday is not a plan in a plan. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for the patience listening. We'll meet on Monday. Thank you. Bye and take care. Thank you so much. Bye and take care. Anybody wants to ask something? No, no. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.